Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can import your CSV file into Jupyter Notebook. So the first thing I would do is I will directly upload my CSV right here in your documents or files. So you want to click on upload, then you're going to find your CSV file, okay, and click on open. And this will basically avoid any errors because our CSV is in the same folder as our notebook, all right? So this is the first step. Now we can open a new Python terminal. And here first step is you want to import the pandas library. So type import pandas as pd and press shift enter, or you want to press this button to run the code. And if you get an error which says no module found pandas, that means your pandas library isn't installed. So I want to quickly show you how we can fix that as well. You want to press exclamation mark on your keyboard, pip 3, then install and pandas, and you want to run this. All right, it will install the pandas library, and then you can use this import code. Now we can go to the next one, which is for reading the CSV file. You want to type df equals pd dot read underscore CSV. Now we want to do brackets, then quotation marks, and your name of your CSV file. So if you're not sure, you can just go to your file and check it. You can see mine is test.csv. So we want to exactly type that here, test.csv, and we want to end the brackets. Now press shift enter. And once you have this, we want to type df.head and the brackets like this, shift enter. Now it is going to show you the first 5 rows of your CSV, and that means your CSV is successfully imported. If you want to see everything, just type df, press shift enter, and you're gonna see the whole CSV file right here. So that's basically it. This is how you can import CSV file in Jupyter. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.